Fly away, fly away. I'm your president.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo TV here with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about upgrading your life, right? So, boom, I have some tips written down about how to upgrade your life. So I'm gonna tell y'all boys. So for the first tip, we got practicing gratitude, okay? Because like you might be getting caught up in negatives in your life and stuff like that. Feel me? But you can get over that by, you know what I'm saying, having gratitude or just journaling or stuff like that. You feel me? And by journaling and stuff like that, it can practice, like, it can help you appreciate, like, the good stuff that happened in your life and stuff like that. You feel me? The second tip, take care of your body. You feel me? Because your body's like your temple. You feel me? It's like the main part of your self. It's you. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you got to make sure you get enough sleep. You got to make sure you exercise. You got to get proper nutrition, all that. You feel me? And then, like, also, it can boost your, what you call it? It can boost your energy, right? You can make sure your energy levels is high and good, you feel me? And it improves your mood and a lot of other stuff, you feel me? It's just good overall, you know what I'm saying? And then also, for the third tip, right? We got connect with others. Feel me? We social. All of us are social. Unless you anti-social, then you feel me? You got to learn to be social. But connecting with others can help you, like, upgrade your life, and networking with others going to help you upgrade your life and stuff like that, you feel me? Because it's like having meaningful connections is important. And also make an effort to reach out to your friends and family and stuff like that, because it can help you feel happy, like joy, support, and stuff like that, you feel me? Fourth tip, set goals. You feel me? You gotta have something you're working towards. You gotta have something that you want to do for yourself. And if you don't, you can learn what you want to do for yourself, you feel me? But having goals will help you, like, give life a purpose and, like, a sense of direction where you need to go, you feel me? And then also, you know what I'm saying, it improve your mental health and how you feel and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? All right, boom, for the fifth one, practice self-care, you feel me? Taking care of yourself is, like, essential for a happy life, you know what I'm saying? You gotta show yourself love. You gotta show yourself that you care about yourself. And even though you care about yourself, it's about caring about others and stuff like that too, because it's gonna make yourself feel good at the same time. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. That was a short video today. We'll have more videos to come. Thank y'all boys for watching. We out.